Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to YouTube channel. Channel name is Ganapath Reddy. All of you, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed earlier. Today I am going to give very useful information how to prepare a document. It can be a mini project report or it can be a major project report. This is useful for third year and fourth years of any branch of students. They can go through my video. If you like this video, you can share to your friends of any college. And without missing anything, watch till the end. Every point is really helpful. Please listen carefully. So first, what are the basic important guidelines? The paper size is A4. You have to select the document paper size. Can be mini project or major project. It must be A4. Entire book left margin is 1.25 inches or 2.54 centimeters. Sorry, 3.17 centimeters. Right margin, top margin, bottom margin, 1 inch. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So you can use either inch or centimeter, no problem. Why this left margin is more is this side we go for a binding, therefore we need 0.25 inch extra. There is no any other reason. Color of the report, it depends on the college or department. So we are preferring black. Some colleges, some autonomous colleges, different rule, university different rule. Some college every year also they change. So according to the department rule, you follow the color of the report. Then font size for running matter is, running text is 12. Font size for subtitle is 14 and bold. Font size for main title is 16 and bold center. 16 bold center. 14 bold. 12 without bold. This you have to remember. Everywhere same rule. Then font size is Times New Roman only. Times New Roman. Then alignment of text should be justified. Justification means the para left side and right side will be in the straight. Don't use left alignment or center alignment or right alignment. Justification is must. One tab space at the beginning of each para. Every para indicated with one tab space. Whatever tab space you are selecting, it should be same in entire document. And 1.5 line spacing between line to line and para to para. Para to para same, line to line is same. So 1.5 line spacing is everywhere maintain same thing. If you maintain same 1.5, if you add a para in the beginning or in the middle, or if you delete a para anywhere, automatically all pages will be automatically adjusted. Manually don't give any extra space anywhere. And number of books we have to go for 6 number. If team size is 4. Team size 4 means each one copy, and one copy will go to department library, one copy will go to main library. So all are hard bound. One copy department library, one copy internal guide. This is internal guide. HOD copy will go to department library. We call it as HOD copy. So HOD cannot keep all the books in his room. So that will go to department library. One internal guide must, and individual 4 copies, and one soft copy DVD or CD for main library. So accordingly you can plan. So in that CD you mention batch number, project title, rule numbers, etc. on the DVD. Then each page should contain page number. That page number is must. Bottom right side corner. So page number you start from the content to next page onwards. Whatever is there after the contents, it should be numbered. And footer at the bottom center, that is GNet's CC department with the font size of 12 times New Roman. So all specifications are given. Any changes are there? I am not telling these are the universally valid guidelines. Every college will have some rules. Whatever rules are framed by the department, you need to follow. As far as Narayanamma College is concerned, these rules you have to follow. Individual project copy should contain only one name, and in all other books, all the group names should be present. This is also important. Accordingly, in the certificate format RREs, like that, grammatically check it and change accordingly. And minimum number of pages in report is 70. The 70 is not fixed, approximately they have given. Can be sometimes 55, 60 also, all right. You can go up to 100 or 110 also. So quality is important, not just unnecessary data collecting and increasing the pages, not correct. Then do center alignment for all the figures. Every figure should be center alignment. Name of the figure and its corresponding number should be written below the figure. Name of the figure and its corresponding number should be written below the figure. Refer figure number in running text. So when you are giving some number in the description, for example, figure 2. So in the matter somewhere it should reflect as shown in figure number 2 or 2.1, like that. So that figure will be connected to text somewhere. That is the purpose why we are showing or giving figure number. Topics that are not important can be included in appendix. Then page break has to be inserted after every chapter and important figures. This page break is really helpful. If document is having 120 pages, at every chapter ending, if you insert a page break, any modification you have done at chapter 1, remaining chapters will not be disturbed. Or you have done some one page is included in third chapter, second page. So fourth chapter, fifth chapter will not be disturbed because already page break is used. So effectively use these page breaks. And abstract and conclusion should be synchronized. This is very important, frequently asked question in Viva. So what is the abstract you have planned? What is that you want to achieve? So whatever you have done, that you have to conclude in the conclusion. So these two should be synchronized. And chapter should have a minimum of 5 pages. Worst case 4. If more pages is having, that is better. Chapter should not contain single page. Conclusion is one chapter. Advantages and disadvantages is one chapter. Like that, you should not have so many chapters. So minimum pages are 5. And chapter should not begin with a picture or a figure. So chapter heading immediately a figure, then followed by text. That is not allowed. Name of the table and corresponding number should be written on top of the table. Table name and number should be top side, whereas a figure it is bottom side below. So that is the difference. In the literature survey, you have to quote these statements which are useful to your dissertation. So these are the author name. This format I will explain later. If you are doing project in the department, in place of internal guide, you can write only guide. If externally you are doing project, then department will allot one internal guide. In that case, you have to mention internal guide. Don't include company certificate, organization profile if you are doing project in the department level. Then after project everything is done, after binding, this department copy they insert in the Almara, so that when you look at open the Almara, when any in charge is looking at, the project title should be visible. So that binding side edge, you write project title, your academic year, and so on. So those details you give without opening the book. Without opening the book, in charge or a student can identify easily. All page numbers should be aligned in the content page. So content page, you are showing all the topics now. So page number should be page numbers. You have to see that page number you have to write. Contact HOD or project coordinator or a guide for any clarification while understanding these rules. So these are the standard guidelines, and take one printout of this. Better to take printout, keep the copy, so that whenever you got a doubt, you can refer easily. Okay. Then this reference format directly, okay, let me explain. Author name is first. In the reference, author name should be first, title of the book, publisher with the edition, volume number, page number, month and year of the publication. So any textbook when you are refer, which pages you are referring, you might not refer entire book. So here example also given. So accordingly you can follow. Name of the author should be written in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. The same author writes 2 books in the same year, then month should be given preference. So latest month should be given first preference. If the month and year both are same, then number for that reference is given as 2A and 2B. This is the rare situation. You need not worry. Then another important, if any technical paper is there in conference or a journal, that you have to include after the reference. Then appendix 1, appendix 2, appendix 3, these are the any additional information, introduction to C language, functions and arguments used in code, some important equations, etc. Anything you are using in the process of developing a project, that you can show in the form of appendix 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And this also you have to list in the contents, and these things will come after the reference. So this is another a content format. So I will show the live one document so that you will understand clearly. So now whatever guidelines I told you, accordingly this is prepared, already prepared, and everything is done. Just I will explain. While explaining what are the possible mistakes normally you will do, that also I will tell you. So first you should be first page. This is the first page. On the project to top and next first page, when you open the hardbound, the first page should look like this. On the top of the binding also it should look like this. So paper, this is the title of the project. This is the title of the project. Paper reduction in OFDM using clipping based methods and compounding transforms. Here purposefully I made 3 lines. If it is a continuous, it looks odd. So meaningfully I separated. This is one line, using is another line. So this is another. So accordingly, because you are the right person, you can discuss with your internal guide how the title should be shown. Okay. So this is one best way I am telling you. A dissertation submitted in partial fulfillment of so and so. This is a standard format. Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering submitted by. So here group of names. You observe one important here there is no space between name to name. No space. Everywhere 1.5 line space is given. Heading using. So here this is the title. What is the title guidelines given? It is heading na 16. It should be 16. So it is not 16. It should be 16. So because of this 4 lines, so I made it 14 purposefully so that it looks nice. So this is 14 names 14. Here this is again 14. This is a running matter. It should be 12. Running matter should be 12. Submitted by 12. Okay. So is the logo. See that logo is in circle, round shape, and this gap is see that uniform. Then department, college. So everywhere 14 is given. 14 is given. If it is a 16 capital means very big size it will come. This for women I send it right side purposefully because this for women we don't want to highlight. This is completely send it to right side. And 2020-21 2020-21 enough. 2020-2021 not necessary. So 2020-21 enough. And accredited by NBA and NAC UGC, affiliated to JNTH. So everywhere line spacing of 1.5. And here this for women and here there is no line space. So here no line spacing is not important. So here line spacing is removed and my name, my designation, that line spacing is removed. All your names line spacing is removed and all other places compulsory 1.5 line space is kept. So this is what important. Okay. And here designation teacher name you have to use Mr., Miss or Mrs. accordingly. The designation can be assistant professor, associate professor or professor. Okay. Gent faculty you can use Mr. If it is unmarried ladies, madams, Miss. Married madams, you can say Mrs. Just to don't write only name. Okay. And designation is compulsory. Your designation also in a VC department units, you can skip it, or even if you write also not a mistake. So this is the first page. I hope you understand. And here rule numbers, I put it to brackets, and all these rule numbers are straight. Their names also straight. Straight, and this is aligned at the center. Here all are center. If you see here, center alignment, using center alignment. Center alignment. So electronics and communication engineering, center alignment. So all these are center alignments. Even image also center alignment. Only this for women, send right side. All of them center alignment. And first to see that these margins are as per specification or not. So what is the size? A4 already done. And orientation is 40 odd. Margins. So So left side 2.54, bottom 2.54, right 2.54 centimeters, left to 3.17 centimeters. This is equivalent to 1.25111 inches. Okay, so this is applicable to entire document, whole document. So automatically the whole document will be done accordingly. So this first page is very, very important. First impression is the best impression. You can do better than this, but all possible ways I have done already. Next important page is the certificate. So Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering is the heading. This is in 16. Certificate 16. This is the certify that 12 is a running matter, but capital, because of capital it looks like bigger size. Then image recognition using principal component analysis is 14. Is the bona fide work 12. Again names 12. All names written capital. So names are state here, rule numbers also state. So submitted in partial fulfillment of so and so during the year 2021. Then left side head of the department signature, right side guide signature. Guide below, guide name below designation. Or Professor C.H. Ganapathy Reddy is okay. Mr. C.H. Ganapathy Reddy below Professor EC department also okay. Here HOD name below is the designation. Okay. So accordingly, this is certificate. These font sizes are important. Whatever sizes we are specifying, you then organization profile. If you are doing project outside, you will come across this organization profile. Organization profile, one more page, company certificate. If you are doing project in ECIL or DRDO or ISRO, so company, they give a certificate. So and so student done so and so project under the guidance of so and so, like that they give a certificate. If it is in ISRO, what is ISRO and what they do, a briefly profile of that organization. When you are doing in the department, automatically those two pages not applicable. Then acknowledgements order is you have to start with internal guide. If you are doing project externally, so external guide contribution is more. You first address external guide, then internal guide, then project coordinator, then head of the department, principal, then all the faculty of EC department, then parents and friends. And still you can include any number you are acknowledging. Don't mix it. Parents and friends, don't mix it. Staff and parents, don't mix it. Friends is one group, parents another group, faculty another group, principal is another group, and so on. And these names are with bolded. So in this order, names you bold it and you use your own words, and whatever way you want to thank them, you write. That is acknowledgement. Okay. So everywhere again 1.5 line. So you can just cross check by mistake if it is there. Whole page you select, right click, paragraph, spacing before after. Most of the students, they don't see this. Before and after. It may be in auto. Auto means automatically some extra space it will take. That we don't want. So make it 0, 0. So before 0, after also 0. Line spacing 1.5 line we are specifying. Then okay, automatically everywhere 1.5. If auto is there, Acknowledgement, this is next parana, extra space it will take. So that we are not accepting, everywhere 1.5 line. Heading to para, para to para, line to line, 1.5 line spacing only. Next, content. Don't use word index here. Index is used in the textbook when at the end of the book, key important words available in the entire textbook in the alphabetical order, that is called as index. Here you have to use word contents, not index. So it contains serial number, topic and page number. Serial number, these 1, 2, 3, let it be in the middle, and page numbers, these numbers let it be in the middle, and topic and abstract, all these things, these things are coming exactly below topic. So A below T, L below A, like that. This is left alignment, serial number center alignment, page number also center alignment, and content is heading anyway center. So abstract, list of figures, list of tables, list of acronyms with italic letter 1, 2, 3, 4. Then introduction, literature, survey, all these things, normal numbers. Okay. So this is also 1.5 line spacing, and font size is 12. See that it is 12. Okay. Everywhere 12 is maintained. Everywhere 12 is maintained. All these things 12. So here chapter 1 introduction, literature survey. If literature survey is there, you show it, otherwise not necessary. So digital image processing. Again, the third chapter, digital image processing. Subtopics 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, like that. Fourth chapter is existing and proposed methods. Then fifth is a neural network. Sixth is the, can say, software. Then what is the code you are using, development environment, etc. Code, if you want to use as a chapter, you use it. If it is really your own work, others should not know. Don't include the code. It is open source, available here and there. Even others are using your code, no objection. You can include. It depends on you and your guide. The next, results and discussion. After everything is over, results and discussion is very, very important. This is one chapter. Then advantages, disadvantages, conclusions, and future scope. All of them combinedly calling as a one chapter. Then subheadings, advantages, disadvantages, conclusions, future scope. So in this order, you have to show. In this order, you have to show. So these numbers should be state. These numbers should be state. And references. References is not a chapter because it contains only one page. So this alignment is left alignment, and serial numbers and page numbers are center alignment. You can do one thing is you create a table first. So table contain column 1, column 2, column 3, 3 columns. And once you started entering the matter, here you select center, here you select left alignment, page numbers you select center, automatically it will be in straight. But when you are taking a printout, you select no borders. If you select no borders, all lines will be removed and plain. It looks like. You can take the printout. So this is very, very important contents. After contents, then what is the content first page? In this order we have to follow. Abstract to list of figures, list of tables, na? So in the same order. So abstract. You see that tab spacing is given to para. Para to para also 1.5 line. Right is also justified. So this is the abstract. Below Roman number 1 given. Then list of figures, serial number, figure number, name of the figure, page number. Page number, center alignment, figure number, center alignment, serial number, center alignment. Name of the figure, left alignment. And list of figures, of course, center alignment. Accordingly, you check it. Even for this also, you can have a table. Then list of tables, same format, accordingly. Okay. So this is 16, name of the table 14, matter is 12. 16, 14, 12. Then acronyms like abbreviation and full form. So full form left alignment, abbreviation also left alignment, serial number, center alignment. Now first chapter is introduction, number 1. So again para, begin with this tab spacing should be uniform, entire document. This tab spacing everywhere it should be same. And para to para also 1.5 line. We are following this format. Some books or some colleges they follow no tab spacing and para next to para one extra 1.5 line space or extra 1 line space. That extra space indicates the separation of the para. Here tab indicates the beginning of the para. Every tab indicates the beginning of the para. So automatically it is separated. Extra space between para to para not necessary. So this is the chapter 1. This is the chapter 2. So see that above heading sometimes extra space will be there. See that that is removed. Okay. So all tab spaces check it. Straight line check it. So like that it will go. Second chapter simple. Then third chapter is like a subheading 3.1 basics of image processing. This is the bold. Subheading is bold na. Subheading bold and 14. Main heading is what? 16. Main heading 16. We told 16. So this has to be changed. It be 16. 16, center and bold. This introduction is subheading 14. The heading must be compulsory 16. So if I missed anywhere, this also I think missed. Second chapter should be 16. First introduction also 16. Okay, like this. So if any para not justified, it looks like this, like left alignment. You see the para how it looks like, right side. This is the left alignment. So don't do left alignment. If you do center, again left side, right side disturb. Right alignment, left side disturb. Justify. This is what? Justification. Sometimes justification, common mistake. Here I am selecting a word detection. Here I entered manually. Now, so here this line, it is actually para is justified. Para is justified, but this here extra space is there. Why this extra space is there? Manually there is a entry. But how to remove it? Delete. Now straight. So if manually enter key is already entered, even if you justify, right side margins will not be straight. So this is the best opportunity to learn MS Office, especially Word. So second chapter, third chapter. Third chapter, some figures are there. So this is the figure. This figure name better to be center. See that name is below. So this figure is also center. Figure 3.1. Why 3.1? This figure is the first figure in third chapter. First figure in third chapter. Next figure 3.2. Next figure 3.3. So don't give importance to subheading. If subheading is 3, again 3.31 like that, no. Entire chapter, entire third chapter, every figure you give 1, 2, 3 like that, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, okay, 3.4. So don't write 3.4.1, something that situation never arise. Simply 3.4, 3.5. So this is the page center. Okay. So main heading 16, subheading 14, running matter 12. Subheading 14 and bold. This figure 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. Here 3.8 figure name more than one line. If it is more than one line, don't give extra space. No extra space. A continuity, 1.5 line extra space don't give if name of the figure is more than one line. There is 3.9, 3.10, 3.11, like that it will go. Okay, 3.12. So these are all figure numbers. Here one table. So table name should be above. Table 3.1. Why 3.1? Third chapter, first table. So what is the table name? Trade-off between quality and speed for the etc. etc. Again, it's a figure of 12 over na. This is 13. So here extras give it. Don't do this kind of. So colon and some space. Okay. If there is any mistake in the document, red color, just right click and modify. So images table. So here compression, it should be like this. So green and red, observe, if necessary, change it. So here semicolon, one extra space needed, so that green eliminate, blue or green, whatever it is. This is the format. So here table, third table 3.3. So like that, table I explained, figure I explained, and matter explained, alignment explained. So this one another figure. And if you want to include the code, otherwise not necessary. You can include the code in appendix also. Now these are important. Results and discussions. Results and so entire project, whatever results you are getting, what are the results and explain the results. Discussion, comment on the results. So this is very, very important to guides or examiners. Whoever want to refer, definitely they go through these results. So again, it's a 9th chapter. So figure 9.1, 9.2 like that. Then last chapter, advantages, disadvantages, conclusions, and feature. Scope is the 10th chapter. And 10.1 advantages, 10.2 disadvantages, 10.3 conclusions, 10.4 feature scope. So feature scope comes under subheading, it is 14. 14 bold. And this is the heading 16 bold. Okay. Then reference, so author names followed by title, 2016, page number so and so. So this is the standard IEEE format. One here big brackets 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Reference, don't give any chapter. Reference is not a chapter. Don't give any number to that. So that's all. This is the end of the document. If there is any, your project is published in the form of conference or a journal, then show it to end of the book. If appendix 1, appendix 2 also you can include end of the project report. So whatever you are showing after the reference, that should reflect in contents also. That should reflect in contents also. So content is important. Once you prepare the document, you will be knowing the page numbers. So these numbers you post there accordingly. Okay. So maximum this spacing adjustment uniformity is important. See, every entire document same margins, left margin, right top. The whole document it should be same. These page numbers I told you now, this 10th chapter here already page break already included. So if I do some modification above, this 10th chapter below alignment will not be disturbed. If you organize systematically, fast you can finish the work. If you don't know how to do it, then you are in trouble. Okay. Even these headings, what kind of heading you have selected, if you specify this can be, your options are there, heading formats. Whatever format you are selecting, all headings in entire book it will modify automatically. Automatically it will modify. So I think you understand most of the important things. Okay. So I am closing now. Thank you very much. If anybody is interested, you send me WhatsApp. You request me in WhatsApp. I can forward this document to your WhatsApp number, just for understanding the formats and other things. Okay. So if you really like this, you share your friends. All of you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.